everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of this BUILDSKILL product. So which product is this? This is the 10mm professional heavy duty electrical drill machine. So let's open this, and the approximate weight of this drill machine is 2 kg. So let's open it now. So we are going to open this. So this is a 10mm professional powerful heavy duty electrical drill machine, and it contains 7 high quality bits. So this is the drill machine. This is the key of the drill machine, and it is used to set the bits of the drill machine. And these are the bits. So there are 6 bits of measurement 5 mm. There are 6 bits, and 1 bit is 6.5 mm, and using this key we can fit it in the drill machine. So this is the drill machine, and the grip of this drill machine is good. It is made of metal, and it has the chunk. This is the chunk. This is also made with metal, and we could fit it in the drill machine. And this is the on-off button. This black color button is the on-off button for switching it on and off. And for continuously drilling, we could press this button for continuously drilling. And the MRP of this product was 2,399, but it decreased into 1,043 rupees. And the warranty of this drill machine is 6 months, and the power is 350 WTT. And this is the ventilation. You can fit the chunk in the drill machine like that. And for the bits, just keep the bits inside, and using the key you can tighten it. So while drilling, we'll show you how to tighten the bits. And this chunk can only fit till 10 mm bits, and you can replace the bits easily with the keys. Simply place the key in the hole, and you can tighten or loosen the bits. And the drilling functions are for drilling walls, bricks, wood, metal, etc. And the cable is soft, and it has a very good quality. It is made up of rubber, and the length of this cable is 1.8 meter. And for cleaning this drill machine, you can use brushes, and for also services you can use the brushes. And the key is used to set the bits. And the model of this drilling machine is BED 1100, and It is a red bits pistol grip drill, and this is the manual for the drilling machine. In this you can get all the precautions, assembling, disassembling, how to use, and all about this drill machine you can get in this manual. So now we are going to show you how to drill this drill the wood. So let's start.
So guys, we are ready to insert the chunk in drill machine. So it's very easy. See, you can see the grips here. Okay, I'm going to insert here, and easily we can install it. See, it is done. Okay, you just wait till you will get this voice here. Okay, now time for bits. Okay, so we are going to take one bit, we are going to put here, and this is the key which we are going to use. Now you can see in this portion we are going to insert our bit. So this is the bit we are going to insert here. Okay, it should be in proper in middle, so we easily can move like this. Okay, so it is not done yet. We have a key which we have to use for properly tighten. Okay, if we don't do proper tighten, it can come out while drilling. Okay, see, it is properly fitted, it's all done. So we are going to do a drilling on this wood. So we are going to be ready with this power on. Wait a second. So switched on, done, and you are going to have a see. This is the voice. Okay, and I am going to drill in this wood. Very softly done, without an issue. I'll make one more hole here. So this is done. So we are done with our drill. Thank you very much for watching this video.
And I recommend you to watch to buy this.
So this is the button which I continuously use, and okay, so we are done with our drill. Okay, I'm just letting you know about these buttons. Okay, so this is the buttons which we use for on off. Okay? So this is on off. Okay, what if you want to do a continuous drilling? See, without touching any button, it is continuous. So this is for continuation, and this is for on off, where we want to stop sometimes. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Let's dismantle this bits. So easily we can remove, and if you want to open this one, can open easily here. So this is the dismantling done successfully. Okay, sometimes we have to clean from this portion everything, no? So dismantling is really required for cleaning all this noise and all everything. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Seen demonstrate,
And I recommend you to watch this video and buy this product. And you can buy this product from Flipkart and directly from the BuildsKill website. You will get the link for buying this product in the description. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. Bye. Have a nice day.